Good morning, dear students. Let us do a quick analysis of the chapter excretory system. Definition based questions के लिए definition of excretion and micturition. Diagram based questions के लिए number 1, which is the diagram of human excretory system. यहाँ you must know kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, sphincter muscle and urethra. Second diagram is the longitudinal section of the kidney, where you should know what is cortex, then medulla, then renal pyramid, renal column, papillae, hilum, pelvis. For third diagram, you must have a fair idea of nephron and what are the parts of nephron, like Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, collecting duct. Then you must practice the diagram of Malpighian capsule, where you must label afferent arteriole, Bowman's capsule, glomerulus and efferent arteriole. Then there can be questions based on the steps that are involved in urine formation. So the 3 steps are ultrafiltration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion. यहाँ इन 3 स्टेप्स में कौन से सब्सटेंस को एब्जॉर्ब किया जाता है, किसे सिक्रीट किया जाता है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. And which are the parts of the nephron that are involved in these 3 processes. You must also know the blood vessels that are involved in this, like the renal artery breaks into afferent arteriole, then forms the tuft of capillary inside the Bowman's capsule, comes out as efferent arteriole, then forms secondary capillary network, and finally the renal vein. Composition of urine or the constituents that are found in the urine, isme there are 3 very important constituents: urea, uric acid and creatinine. Abnormal constituents which are found in the urine are, if there is blood in the urine, we call it hematuria. If there is glucose in the urine, we call it glycosuria. If there is albumin in the urine, then albuminuria. And there can also be bile present in the urine. Last part of the chapter mein you must know the role of antidiuretic hormone in regulating the outflow of urine. You must also know why patients suffering from cholera are usually found to suffer from uremia. And lastly, have a brief idea about dialysis. Thank you.